Excuse me, where can I find the dairy section?
It's in aisle 5, right next to the frozen foods.
Thanks. Do you have any gluten-free bread?
Yes, it's on the shelf right above the regular bread.
How much is this per pound?
It's $3.99 a pound, but it's on sale today for $2.99.
That's great. Do you have a smaller size of this?
Let me check. Yes, we have a smaller size right here.
Perfect. Is this fresh or was it frozen?
It's fresh. We get a new delivery every morning.
Great, I'll take 2 of these, please.
Sure thing. Anything else I can help you find?
Actually, yes. Where's the checkout line?
Right this way. Follow me. It's just past the bakery.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Have a great day.